an IATA licensed travel agency and logistics company. Yes.
Abide by the code of conduct contained in the fifth schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration for his bold act, which has greatly improved the security architecture in the region and reduced incidents of kidnapping, banditry, and other acts of criminality to the barest minimum, especially in Ondo State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.